That was a run, eh? Any idea? That was on the surface, obviously.
Nice.
Big
Like 20
GT.
feet. I don't know, I don't think so.
It's a doggy, yeah. It's a doggy.
Oh, it's a big doggy, guys.
Yeah.
Woo! Woo!
Wow!
Yes!
Woo!
You ran in.
Oh, we gotta release this guy, yeah?
Yep.
There's a bit of blood coming out. Have you got pliers?
In the tail.
Yeah, grab the tail. That is huge, bro. Is that your biggest?
The biggest, man!
That is a monster. Well, have you got pliers? Yeah. I can get the hook out now.
Yeah.
Alec! So big, bro.
It's a cavillo from the first cast, man. From first, boom. Sorry, doggy. We love you.
Have you lure?
Yeah, cavillo, man.